Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Droms camera is probably one of the most exciting and engaging gadgets you can get for your little ones, offering them a unique opportunity to explore their creativity and capture the world from their own perspective, sparking a lifelong passion for photography and storytelling. This durable and user-friendly device is designed specifically for young hands and curious minds, ensuring hours of fun while encouraging them to observe, document, and share their adventures, making it an ideal gift that promotes both learning and entertainment. Number 5. PROGRACE Kids Underwater Camera and Pool Toy. Watch her light up as she captures every cannonball splash and underwater smile. This waterproof action camera is designed for pool toy adventures, freezing perfect mid-air jumps in crisp detail. Clip it on and let the adventure roll. This kid's digital camera easily mounts to bike handles, capturing every trail in smooth 1080p video. She can instantly replay her best jumps and store endless memories. Finally, a moment of calm while she explores independently. This durable camera for kids invites safe discovery, whether she's filming a curious caterpillar or the family dog. You relax, knowing she's having real adventures, not screen time. From pool toys for kids to muddy trail rides, this shockproof and waterproof digital camera goes everywhere she goes. It's lightweight and compact, her go-anywhere tool for capturing an active childhood, one adventure at a time. This complete kids pool toy kit includes everything she needs to get started. It's the most portable waterproof camera for kids ages 3 to 12, ready for action without the weight or worry. This all-in-one set is the perfect birthday or Christmas gift for girls, sparking imagination the instant it's unwrapped. It's her very own Kids Go Pro, not just a toy, but an invitation to explore, create, and make memories that last. Help her grow creatively with fun features like zoom and time-lapse. This digital camera for kids teaches patience and observation while she captures the world her way. Every feature works together to turn her unique perspective into art. What we like. If your child loves to be active and capture every moment, this is the camera for them. It's built tough for both water and rough play, making it perfect for pool days or bike rides. If you're looking for a durable, all-in-one camera that encourages creative exploration, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The camera is very durable and has survived multiple drops. It's easy for my child to use, with simple buttons and a clear interface. The picture quality is surprisingly good for a kid's camera, capturing clear and colorful images. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with the powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed with a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to take anywhere. It also comes with a convenient carrying case for effortless transportation. Enjoy a streamlined and safe flying experience with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. It's designed for intuitive operation, making content creation effortless. This drone is a must-have for beginners, equipped with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Its user-friendly design ensures a great practice experience. Take control in a whole new way with voice and gesture commands. This adds an extra layer of fun and ease to your flying experience. What we like. For those who dream of soaring through the skies, this drone offers an incredible aerial perspective. Its 1080p camera captures stunning views, and the extended flight time means more adventure. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-operate drone with great camera capabilities and a portable design, this is the one to get. What people say. The camera is durable and can withstand drops, making it suitable for children. It features a simple interface that is easy for kids to navigate and use. The picture quality is surprisingly good for a children's camera, capturing clear images. Number 3. Velcase VGO Foldable Drone. Discover the thrill of flight with this incredible drone. It's designed for everyone, making aerial photography and videography accessible and fun for beginners and kids alike. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, you can capture breathtaking photos and videos from the sky. Connect to our app for real-time FPV and share your amazing adventures instantly. Enjoy a seamless flying experience with features like one-key takeoff and landing, and optical flow positioning. It's designed to be incredibly easy to control, even for first-time pilots. Explore a variety of flight modes, including gesture control, voice commands, and 3D flips. This drone offers endless entertainment and creative possibilities for all users. Take it anywhere with its foldable design and included carrying case. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 26 minutes of flight time, ensuring more fun and less waiting. Built with safety in mind, it includes propeller guards and powerful motors with overcurrent protection. Fly with confidence and enjoy a reliable, enjoyable flight experience. What we like. This drone is designed for aspiring young pilots who want to capture amazing shots from above. With its FPV capabilities and gesture control, it offers an immersive and interactive flying experience. If you're looking for a feature-rich drone that's beginner-friendly and allows for creative aerial photography and videography, this is an excellent option. What people say. The camera is very durable and has survived multiple drops. It's easy for my child to use, with simple buttons and a clear interface. The picture quality is surprisingly good for a kid's camera, capturing bright and clear images. Number 2. DEERC D20 Mini Drone for Kids. Experience the thrill of flight with our mini drone. It features a 720p HD camera, perfect for capturing breathtaking photos and videos from the sky. See the world from a new perspective with live FPV transmission directly to your smartphone. Designed with simplicity in mind, this drone makes flying incredibly easy. With just one button, you can take off and land. Altitude hold technology keeps it stable, allowing you to focus on capturing amazing shots. Enjoy peace of mind with advanced safety features. It includes a low-power alarm, emergency stop, and propeller guards for secure flight. Plus, with 2 batteries, you get up to 20 minutes of flight time. Add excitement to your flights with 3D flips and waypoint navigation. Simply draw a path on your screen, and watch it follow your commands. It's designed to bring more fun to every adventure. Control it with just your voice using simple commands like take off. You can also take hands-free selfies by simply showing a gesture. It's the perfect way to capture memories effortlessly. What we like. If you want a drone that's incredibly easy to get started with and offers fun, dynamic flight, this is a great pick. It features simple controls like one-key start and altitude hold, plus exciting stunts like 3D flips. If you're looking for a toy drone that's safe, engaging, and perfect for kids to learn on, this model is ideal. What people say. This camera is great for kids, it is very durable and has survived many drops. The picture quality is surprisingly good for a kid's camera, and the video function is a nice bonus. It is easy for my child to use, with simple buttons and a clear interface. Number 1. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. Equipped with a 720p HD camera and a wide-angle lens, this drone captures extraordinary moments. You can also see the fabulous scenery in live videos directly on your app. Experience a terrific flight with advanced functions like voice control and gesture selfies. You'll be amazed at how smart and intuitive it is to operate. Perform impressive 360 degrees flips with just a push of a button. You can even draw a flight path on your smartphone, and it will fly accordingly, adding extra fun. This drone is magically simple to operate, especially for kids. Features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and altitude hold make flying easy and stable. With 2 included batteries, enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time for endless fun. It also includes features like emergency stop and low-power alarm for a carefree experience. Its delicate design fits perfectly in your palm. The included propeller guards protect both the drone and the pilot from any accidental bumps or injuries. What we like. This drone is perfect for kids and beginners who want a fun and advanced flying experience without the complexity. It boasts smart features like voice control and gesture selfies, along with easy operation. If you're looking for a compact, safe, and feature-packed drone that provides endless entertainment and stunning aerial views, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The camera is very durable and has survived multiple drops. It has a good variety of fun filters and frames that kids enjoy. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours of continuous use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.